All you're asked to do here, look here, is calculate the slope. Now you have two options. You can pick 2 points anywhere on the line that are easy to read, and you can actually use the slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, okay? Or you can pick any 2 points again and just count the rise over the run. Sorry, this is... So you want to make sure that you're choosing 2 points that are directly on the line, and it's very easy to see the coordinate there. So which 2 points do you guys want me to highlight here?
4 and 5.
So we know there's a point here at -4, 0, and that's easy to read. And then you said this point's easy to read, which is located at 0, -2. Someone give me another point that's easy to read. Any other point? We also know that 4, -4 is directly on the line. Because this is a straight line, I can use any of these points, and I'll show you. I'll use all of them to calculate the slope. So if I go from here, let's call this A, let's call this B, and let's call this C. If I count the rise from A to B, okay, let's count the rise. 1, 2. Does it rise more than 2? No. Or I can go this way. Down 2, right? Okay, so we'll say the rise is +2. And the run, look here, this is important, look here. The run, if I'm going from here, I'm running 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to the left, so am I going +4 or -4? Positive or negative? Think of a number line. If you're moving to the left, it's -4. Okay, well, some of you might be wondering, well, what if I count the other way? So let's do it the other way. If we go down 2, if I move down a graph, is that positive or negative? -2. And if I'm going to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, is that positive or -4?
Positive.
Do these represent the exact same thing?
Yes.
+2 divided by -4 is what? -0.5. A negative divided by a positive is still a -0.5. Doesn't matter which way you count, you still get the right answer. Okay? What if I choose this point here? Everyone look here. This point. Let's count. I'm going, look here, down 1, so -1, and across 1, 2, so +2. What's -1 divided by +2? -1 divided by +2 is good, -0.5. It's the same answer. So the slope is equal to what? You can write it as -0.5, or you can write it as -1/5. Either one is fine. I mean 1/2, okay? Or you can write it as -2/4. All of those represent the exact same thing. The second part of this question was asking about the Y-intercepts. All you had to do was look at the graph. A Y-intercept is the point where the line touches, here's the Y-axis, right? Where does this line intercept? Where does it hit the Y-axis? At -2, right here. So the Y-intercept is -2.